Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to properly cut aluminum cans for a variety of aluminum can projects. First thing you want to do, get your cans, be at a sink space, because cutting them a lot of times will create these small shards, and you definitely do not want them to end up in your foot, end up in your pet's foot, whatever. They can be very painful. I have learned this over time. I've cut approximately, I'm going to guess and say 10,000 cans in the last 10 years for many projects. So the first thing you want to do is have a good pair of scissors. I prefer the titanium scissors, but it varies as far as what I'm cutting, if I'm doing a design or just prepping the cans. So for this today, we're going to use some heavy duty titanium. And the first thing you want to do is take your can. I hold it like this, stick that in, I pop it, and I go all the way around. As you can see, it's going to be sharp. There's sharp edges, little shards, and you want to get rid of that. So you go gently and carefully around the entire edge to make sure that it's smooth. Set that can aside, go on to the next one. This will become second nature after you do so many. Doesn't matter the size of the can either. You can use the tall, thin energy drink size, the big tea size. Like, for example, here's one of those thin cans. It's just a little different on the lip. Let me just go around. Trim it up. And you really don't have to worry about cutting yourself. In the so many cans that I've done over the years, I've only actually cut myself one time. And that was because I was in a hurry and I wanted my can to be dry so I could go on to the next step for a project. So I had a paper towel in my hand and I tried to dry the inside of it, and I had not properly trimmed the edges. So don't do that. Okay, your next step is you're going to want to get the sugary substances out of your cans or any staining. So you want hot water, and you want to rinse the inside. As you can see, there's a yuck in there. They've even used baby bottle scrubbers to get the really bad stuff out, but generally just hot water inside and out, and you're good. If your cans are filled with that yuck, and even mold I've seen, what you want to do is potentially soak them in hot water, and then everything comes off easily. No problems. You want to try and make sure that your cans are not dented in any way. They won't be as flexible as far as use goes if there's dents in them. So I've got all my cans cleaned. I set them aside. Want to make sure to get all of the sharp pieces out and throw them away. Let your cans dry, and we'll go on to the next step.